Pangalawa sa block. Yung sa outside yung nagtatatuigan. White.
Ready na kami. Ready na rin kayo. Ready na tayong lahat. Ryan. Pinira. 2 balls for Ryan.
All.
15 seconds shot clock. Marvin Pinira. Naribang again. Pass to Ryan. Rivalino. Nakuha ni Paul. Nakuha ni Kurt. 15 seconds shot clock. Paul. 4-3. Wala siya! Rebound! My ball! Juanates! Napakalayo naman tumira nun!
Step Curry. May momentum eh, no? Pag gano'n eh.
Hindi pero
Grabe, napakalayo nun. Jeff! Nakuha ni Glenn! Fake! Shot! 2 points for Glenn!
Parang bubuhit ka ng one.
Kurt! Pinira! Rival again! Pass to Jeff! Jeff on the drive! Layup! Short! Nakuha ni Bren! Nakuha ni Milano! At may nakuha foul! Rebound rep! Marvin! Second personal foul! First team foul!
Inihaw ah.
First attempt, basket yan para kay Milano.
Kamay hindi ba eh? Kamay kandila. Kamay inihaw gawin. Pasok muna.
Nakaribang ni Berto. Wala nang
Uma, 15 to shoot.
15 seconds shot clock. Nolan, Pinira. Ilista mo na yan. 2 points for Nolan. Oras, 8 minutes and 10 seconds para sa ating last quarter.
dalawa lamang sa black.
15 seconds shot clock.
Wala! Shoot!
Naroon ko rin. Use of 3. Last break to work. Kurt on the drive. And a foul. Who's fouled up? Milano. First personal foul. First foul. Strike situation up. Unang tira sa fly. Pangalawang tira. Basket siya para kay Kurt. At nakapulit kasi dito ng piso na tayo. Ryan. Pass to Jan. Jan up. Traveling violation.
Black ball.
Ba't amoy kandila? Talaga yun. Nauna kasi yung body. Bawa. Nauna yung body.
Up the na po.
Nabati mo yung magkano mo. 15 to shoot ah.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
8 to shoot, 7 to shoot, 6 to shoot.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot.
Defensive player, PD. Paul sa 3-point. May award po yan.
Ulo.
4 for 3. Jan, diretso. What a good. 2 points for Jan. Third. Denied by Marvin for three. Rebound by Glenn. Roy, derecho. Side step layup. And a count. 2 points for Roy. Marvin. Nice denied the BD. Appena one foul. Who's fouled at Marvin. Marvin, third personal foul. Second team foul. Oras po natin, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Yan, tinira. Out of bounds, bola ng black. Ball, for three. Shot. Substitution rep. Milano, ay, ito pala to. Aldrin. Pass to Jan, back to Aldrin, 15 second shot clock. Milano on the drive. Pass to PD. 2 points for PD, wala pass. 15 second shot clock. Marvin for three. Rebound again. Pass to Milano. Milano on the drive. 2 points for Milano. Quick, derecho. Milano foul, loose ball red. Substitution rep.
Sino yung foul? Second.
Glenn, second personal foul. Pangalawang tira.
Let's pass.
Tamad kayo ng third, di ba? Tatlo.
Milano. Crossover.
Tapikan.
Wala pass by Milano.
Sino yung
Militiar siya ni PD.
Speedy yun, di ba?
Oh, PD na shoot. 5 minutes.
Pumasok ba yung ng free throw ko?
15 seconds shot clock.
Pumasok ko yun. Oo, tama naman.
Dito na Milano pinagawa bola pass to Aldrin. 2 points for Aldrin. Oras, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Ball on the drive. Rebound by Jan. Jan. Pass to Milano. Milano on the drive. No, you're nice yan, Arnold yan. Arnold. Pass to Baral. Baral on the drive. Nice yan again. Fast break to Jan. Jan drive. Pass to Pini. Tira ulit. At tinira ulit. Time out. Black. Napakagod ng takbo nun. Oras, 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Black o puti? Puti o black?
Silang dyan mananalo.
Wala daw overtime daw. Wala overtime.
Kurt. Pass to Baral. Baral, back to Kurt. For three. Rebound again. Glenn, fast break to Aldrin. Layup and a count. 2 points for Aldrin. Kurt. Nagaganda pa saan. Pass to Baral. Baral. Aldrin. Nakakuha ni Gert. Gert, pass to Nolan. Nolan, tira. Boarding. Nariba na naman again. 15 seconds shot clock. Ten seconds shot clock. Bibi, tira, 2 points for Bibi. Wow! And a count! Who's following it? Jan! Jan! Third, personal foul!
Third din.
Third, team foul!
Ano natin mo dyan? 17? Nandun din yung 10.
Basketball, 3 shots, 2 points.
Ay, alas ko dyan kasi pinili oras eh.
15 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Jan, 4-3. Rebound Milano. And a foul, who's following it? Baral. Baral, second personal foul. First, team foul.
Uy, tapigin dyan, Dre. Ano? Alas kayo dyan. Ito tinitignan nila.
15 second shot clock.
Kayo.
Two balls, four. Nice, sila ni Bert. Last 2
Time out sila.
minutes.
Time out po kaya.
Time out.
Score?
White.
Eh kasi ito mo. Diba ito? Kaya dito. Kaya naman dati pa dito kami naglalagay. Kami nag-get. Dyan na talaga yan. Hindi mo naman kailangan din lagayin. Anong oras ang laro? Hindi, pag natapos ko. Tapos na, last na po. Wala na. Wala na. Apo. Hindi po namin papabuti ng 8:30.
Sige po. Salamat po.
Pinod ko.
Pero nagtao-tao po sila. Man to man, full court, man to man, defense. Nakuha ni Roen. Roen, pass to Glenn. Back to Roen. 3 seconds violation. Black ball po mga black ball.
Hindi, tinanong kung maabuti ng...
Ay, hindi. 1 minute.
2 balls, 4 balls. Who's following it? Nolan. Nolan first personal foul. Second team foul. Unang tira ni Roy sa fly. 86-81 po ang ating score. Lamang po ng 5. Ang puti. Oras, 1 minute and 35 seconds na pala dito na. Sa ating last quarter. Paul on the drive. Pinira. Rebound dito. Same ball. Black ball po tayo. 22 second shot clock. 22 second shot clock. Paul, pasok ng Arlon on the drive. Short na ako ni Jeff. Jeff, dire-diretso. Pasok dyan, kick. Rubbing in violation.
Ha? Ano yung kapatid ka daw?
Two points for Paul. Apat na Paul na bang ng puti. Nice, sila pa. Ito na ang itim. Nabitawan natin ang foul. Whistle rep. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Hindi, bawal na yun eh. Tapak.
48 seconds. Two points for dalawa na ball lamang. Dalawa na ball lamang na puti. 40 seconds. Black, tulgo tayo. 87-95 po ang score. Lamang na po ng dalawa. 34.3 seconds na po dito na sa atin. Last quarter.
White. Yeah!
Baral. Nariba dito. Nariba ni Glenn. 20 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 2 points for Vinny. Time out. Back to the ball game. 12.1 seconds na lang po ang natitira.
Penalty pa sila.
20 lang.
Third pass to Baral. Good. Knock on Arnold. 5 seconds. The fourth quarter.
Mag-award tayo.
Kamay na dalawang teams. Nice game. Nice play.
Kamay, kamay.
Thank you.